Hare Krishna. So, resuming from Sri Harinama Vyakaranam. Um, so, this is the third chapter, Akhyata Prakaranam. Mm. So, we did the forms for Achyuta Pratyas. We did the forms for the Vidhatri Pratyas. Now, the third one, so that's the Vidhi Pratyaya. So, Bhu Dhatu and the Vidhi Pratyaya, beginning with Tut. So, we insert Shab. Dhaturantasya Govindaha Pratyaye O, then O of. So we get Bhavatu, Jagannath Swami Nayana Padagami, Bhavatu me, right? One of the prayer. So Bhavatu comes from here, Bhavatu. May he be, let him be. Then Tuyos Tatang Asheshi Va Sarvatra. In every instance, Tup, which is 1.1, and He, which is 2.1, can optionally be replaced by Tatang, provided Ashish is understood. So basically, the point is when we have Bhu and Tup, so once we made the form Tup with Tup and we got Bhavatu. Another time, this Tup gets replaced with Tatang, just the Pratyay itself replaced, then Shab, then Dhaturantasa Govinda Pratyaye Ab. So we get Bhavatat, Bhavatat. So Bhavatu or Bhavatat. Same meaning, but two different forms. Both are right. Then Tuptam, yeah, then same Bhavatam, then Bhu, Antu, Bhavantu, same pattern. Here Bhava and Antu is there, so this A will be deleted by Aramahara E Ayura Vishnu Padante. So we get Bhavantu. Then Ato Her Haraha. Now 2.1 Udhatu and he, he. The pratyaya is he 2.1. So once with he and once with Tatang. So when he is there, we insert Shab and then Dhaturantasya Govinda Pratyaya O Av. So we get Bhava and the Pratyaya he. Now at this point of time, the sutra says, Sutra 300, Ato Her Haraha. After A, he is deleted. So here Bhava ends with A. So after this A, this he gets deleted, so we just get Bhava. This Bhava. Then the forms ahead are like Bhavatam, Bhavata with Ani. So Shap is there. So we get Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavam. So yeah, this is the table. Bhavatu or Bhavatat, Bhavatam, Bhavantu, Bhava, Bhavatat, Bhavatam, Bhavata, Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavam. The Atmapada, okay, before that, Pradaya, Upendra Sangya, Dhatu Yoge, Teja Prak. When an Avyaya, such as Pra, is combined with the Dhatu, it is called an Upendra and is applied before the Dhatu. Now, it is talking of the prefixes which are applied prior to the Dhatus. Um, so, such prefixes are Avyayas and they are Pra Ityadi. So, this is the whole list of the prefixes here. They are in 21 in number, I believe. 20, sorry, 20. So these are applied after dhatus. So when these are applied after dhatus, so they are called the upendras. Upendras. In general grammar, they are called upasargas, but here they are called upendras when these 20 avyas are applied before a dhatu. So you can memorize this shloka, and it's sung in this way. Praparapa samanbhava nirdurabhi व्यधिसूदतिनि प्रतिपर्यपयः उपाङ्गिति विंशतिरेष सखे उपसर्गविधि कथितः कविना. So here, my friend, the 20 words, the avyayas, the upendras are pra, para, apa, sam, anu. Okay, let's do an example of each simultaneously. Could be a noun, could be a verb. So when we have pra, let's say parikrama, pra, sorry, that's pari. So with pra, we get, uh, give me a word which begins with pra, could be a dhatu. Prakirti, yeah, prakirti, prakrishta, so many words. Then para, so parakrama, apa, apagata, ityadi. Sam, samsara, anu, anuvritti, ava, avachedana, nir, निरस्त दुर या दुर्गति इत्यादि अ, अभिगत या अभिगत वी so V is like vigata विशेष अध्यात्म सु सुविचार और सुस्वागत और सुष्ठु इत्यादि अ, उत्तम अति अत्यंत नी न्यस्त या न्यस्त could be there न्यस्त प्रति could be प्रतिकार परिक्रमा अपि for api you have to see upa upadesh ang so vedant so lot of sansara so so these are the pradis so they have these general meanings so pra is applied in the sense of forward away before para is away backwards and so on so these appears these prefixes are applied in various meanings um, especially a dhatu or even a noun. So when upendras, these appears are applied, prefixes are applied, then they also modify the meaning of the word itself. For example, my Guruji would give this example. Let's see, there is one word which is ahar. What does ahar mean? Anyone? Ahar means food. Yeah, ahar means like food intake. Now here the prefix is a. Then let's take vihar. What does vihara mean? It could be like wandering, roaming, or it could be, like doing vihar, like performing pastime in case of the Lord. So, in that sense, then let's say sanghar. Here, sang is the prefix. So, sanghar means annihilation, right? So, the dhatus are going same, har, the same root. But just because the prefixes are changing, so the meanings also are changing of the whole complete word, right? So like this, ahar, vihar, sanhar, pratyahar. Now in pratyahar, oh sorry, partihar. Pra- pra- Yeah, so here, uh, pratyahar, here we have two um, prefixes. One is the a, and second one is prati. So it's possible more than one prefix also. In sannyasa, there are three prefixes. San, nyasa. So sun is one prefix, ni is another, and a is one. So three prefixes in sannyas. So in this way, the root word could be the same, but the meanings change due to the change in the prefixes and all. So yeah, the point is that. Okay. Purvokta nimitatve satyeva shatva anatve. So this sutra says the changes to sha or na. So if you remember in the beginning of the second chapter, we had done these two sutras which had described the Shatva Vidhi and the Natva Vidhi, right? Ishvara Hrimitra Karamamebhya Pratyavrinti Sasyasho Ityadi, and then Rasha Ridabhana Sana Sarveshwara Hayava Kavarga Bhavarga, that one. So now it says the changes to Sha or Na prescribed in other rules can only take place when those things previously described in Sutras 108 and 111 are the nimittas. So yeah, so basically it is saying that the changes to Shaurna will take place only when the nimittas, the prerequisites would be fulfilled as per the given sutras 108 and 111, the same sutras which I just quoted for both of them. So see, Sankshodhani explains here, thus when a change to Sir, the change of Sir to Sha is prescribed in a rule other than Sutra 108, it is understood that Ishvara Harimitra Kavarana is also required there as the, the Purva Nimitta, the Prana Nimitta for the change to take place, and that without them the change can't occur. Similarly, so yeah, so whenever there is a description of changing Sa into Sha or Na into Na, so we have to take care of all those prerequisites mentioned in the previous sutras. Upendrat Nopadeshasya Ganatvam. After an Upendra, so Upendras we just studied Pradaya Upendra Sangya Dhatu Yoga Techa Prak. So the 20 of the Upendras, the prefixes, when they're applied after the before the dhatus, they are called Upendras. So the original na of Anopadesha Dhatu is re-established. Now, what is this Anopadesha Dhatu? Anopadesha Dhatu is like, uh, let's say there is one Dhatu which is Namu. Dhatu is Namu, let's say. There is one Dhatu which is Namu. Now, by one sutra, this na changes into the dental na. This nam. The sutra is Dhatvadir no na. Now, this na is originally na, but has been changed into na, the dental na, because of the sutra. So like, this is nopadesha. This is called nopadesha. Nasya upadesha, or right. So na, the murdhanya na, cerebral na changed into the dental na. So when we have some, let's say some upendra before it, prior to it, so this nopadeshasya, this na will turn back into na, like this one with a dot below. Because now here the prerequisites are being fulfilled, and this sutra also demands it, the current sutra, and this Nopadeshasya Natvam. We'll do more ahead of this one when the examples will come. Okay. Then Hinu Nina Nipangcha. After an Upendra, the now Hinu, Meena, and Anip also changes to Na. So this Hinu and Meena are not names of someone. So these are the dhatus and the vikarana. So Hinu is formed from He, Gatau, Vridhocha, and the vikarana Shnu, and Smina from Me, Hingsam, and the vikarana Shna. So and Anip. So they also changes to Na. Yes. So here we have this Anip. So this Anip, the Na changes to Na. So Prabhavani. Right. Mhm. Hmm. Now, uh, Jiva Goswami says that why did we say after an Upendra? So he's giving an example, Pranayaka. Here Na doesn't change to Na, this cerebral Na, even though we have this Upendra, this prefix preceding. Why so? Because this is a noun. Nayakaha is a noun. Upendra is done, this Upendra with is done before a dhatu only, right? That prefix is considered an Upendra and Natva is done only when a dhatu is following. This Nayaka is not a dhatu. That's why this is Pranayaka and so on. Okay. So, okay. So please do revise. I don't know if you have memorized the pratyas or not, all of them. If yes, then it's good. If not, then please do. So, and then we'll resume tomorrow with this. Tomorrow also we'll do the class the same time this time. Uh, the next week onwards would be normal regular time. So I am in Pandharpur right now in Maharashtra with my Gurudev, some service. That's why some timings. So we'll resume tomorrow the same time. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.